Do you want to learn how to make 100,000 naira in just 1 week? What if I told you that you can do it by selling ebooks online without writing a single word? Sound crazy, right? In case you've been thinking that what I'm about to share with you in this video is about affiliate marketing, then you're absolutely wrong, because it has absolutely nothing to do with affiliate marketing. Instead, I'm going to show you how you can make 100,000 naira per week selling ebooks written with ChatGPT. Well, I did it with ChatGPT, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. Step by step, no flop, no scam. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start making money online. But make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be sharing some secret strategies that can help you to skyrocket your sales overnight. So by the end of this video, you would have been able to master the following. 1. Know how to get money-making solutions to any problem. 2. Know how to create a high in-demand info product with ChatGPT. 3. You would know how to create catchy ebook covers using AI. Ebook covers like this, and this. 4. You know how to get craving customers for your info products. 5. You know how to scale your info business to 100K and beyond. 6. You know how to rinse and repeat the process all over again. But before we dive deeper into today's video, if this is your first time watching my video, I am Kyle from OK Media, where we share information on business opportunities, personal growth, then financial growth strategies. So if you're new to this channel or you are not a subscriber yet, kindly hit the subscribe button to join the OK family. Then like and share this video with friends that you know will benefit from it. When you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like any of my videos, you are not only assisting me with the YouTube growth algorithm, you're also encouraging me to put out more helpful content like this. So without much ado, let us get into the business of today. So in today's video, we'll be looking into how you can make 100,000 naira per week selling ebooks that you did not even write. To start with, the first and the most important thing is to pick the right topic for your ebook. Note, not all ebooks will sell. So if you choose the wrong niche, nobody will buy from you. But if you choose a hot niche, then you'll be able to make money from it faster. So the first thing we're going to do here now is to pick a profitable ebook niche. And here are examples of hot selling niches in Nigeria. Business and money, health and fitness, self-improvement, then relationship. And here are also some trending topics that you can take advantage of. How to make money online in Nigeria, best for beginners. Importation business, mini importation guide. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Forex and cryptocurrency trading for Nigerians. One of the best ways to find a profitable ebook idea is to check Facebook groups and WhatsApp community. What are people asking about? What problems do they want solutions for? Create an ebook that solves these problems. This in mind, we are going to pick a particular problem and create an ebook that will solve the problem. Take for instance, you want an additional source of income. That is the problem. Now the solution is to create an online business. So our topic for the ebook is how to start and scale a profitable online business in Nigeria. So the next step now is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to write the ebook for us. So we'll come to ChatGPT, and I already have my prompt, which I'll give you access to it in the description below. So we'll just paste our prompt. Write a 10-chapter ebook on how to start and scale a profitable online business in Nigeria. Include real-time examples and actionable steps. Then we'll ask it to create for us. Then you will see ChatGPT generate this ebook for us. You will see it create this ebook for us. You can see it has started creating the ebook covers for us, giving us the chapters. You see, identifying profitable niche, setting up your online business, building an engagement online, payment process, scale your business, digital marketing strategies for growth, and like that. So what you want to do now is to instruct it to write it chapter by chapter. So after it has written this, now it said this ebook provides a structured, actionable guide with real-world examples to help Nigerian entrepreneur launch and scale a successful online business. So now what you do is you now start instructing it to write it chapter by chapter. Okay, then you edit and refine this. You don't want it to sound robotic, so you put pictures, images, add real-time experience. So the next is to design our ebook cover. And there are two methods that I use. The first is I come to Canva and I enter ebook cover and I check the cover that suits my topic. Okay, then I choose, then I customize it. After customizing my 2D, then I come to DIYbookcovers.com. There I can now choose or convert it to 3D. If it's a single ebook, then if I want it to be composite, that's with like this. So you would choose your template, then you upload your image, then you will generate your ebook cover. So that's the first method. The second method, which is my favorite, is to come to ideogram. So I come to ideogram, I come to creation, then I already have my prompt. I'm just going to pick the prompt. Okay, you will have access to the prompt also in the description below, so you can refine it to your own taste. So I paste my prompt. Then I just hit generate. Okay, so it will take some time and you will see it will generate the ebook cover for me. So you say, so it's asking me to wait for 26 seconds, 25 seconds. So it's going to generate the ebook cover for me. This take lesser time compared to designing it on Canva and now going to DIY to make it in 3D. This is faster. Okay, what you just need to do is just remove the background here. Like you can see, I have this, and I have this. What I will just do is I go to remove.bg and I remove the background. Okay, so with that I get my ebook design. So it generated 4 for me, and this is just one of the 3D ebook cover that was generated. You can see start and scale, how to start and scale a profitable online business in Nigeria. So I want to download this. So I'll come here and I'll come to download and I'll click JPEG. Okay, it's going to download it for me. So then I now move to, it has downloaded it for me. So after downloading, then I now move to remove.bg and I click upload image. So here I'm going to upload the image and remove the background so I can only have the 3D ebook. This to me it's faster. So I want to select the newly downloaded e-cover design, but with the background. So I'm going to remove the background here. You can see the magic. The background has been removed. So the next thing for me to do is to download. Review free. And this is it. It has downloaded. So as you can see, this is our downloaded 3D ebook cover. So I prefer this method because it is faster and looks more professional. The only thing there is you cannot add your own image here, but it will generate a realistic and non-copyright image for you. So we're going to stick with this and use this as our ebook cover. Now that we are done creating both our ebook cover and the ebook, the next thing is to start selling. Well, here is the big question. How do we get buyers? See, if you don't sell, you won't make money. Selling is what brings in the money. So it is either you sell directly, I mean by yourself, or you sell through a digital selling platform like Seller. And here are my 3 no-fail selling strategies that you can utilize and make this money. Number one is to sell organically. Like you post it on your status. You join business group and also community. You post your ebook link there. You can also post an engaging topic on your ebook. You can sell with influencers. You can use Instagram influencer to sell your ebooks, or you pay TikTok influencers too to sell your ebook. The third, which is my favorite, is by selling with paid adverts. You can run a Facebook ad where you sell your ebook. So assuming a copy of your ebook sells for 3,000 naira, you only need to sell 35 copies to make 100,000 naira per week. And with Facebook ad, this is very, very achievable. And that is it. That is how you can make 100,000 naira every week by selling ebooks that you didn't even write. And if you follow these steps, you can achieve it. Now, here is what I want you to do. Drop in the comment section that I am ready if you are serious to start this. And also subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. And if you want my ebook, the one that we just created together here, titled How to Start and Scale a Profitable Online Business in Nigeria, then comment Start and Scale in the comment section and I will get it across to you. Till I come your way again. Bye.